Good morning, my brother. Good morning, sister. Good morning, everybody. Mama, you wake me, why you soon? Now, good morning. We must be free, oh. Our free, Bima. Buhari Georgia, oh. Garuba Sheudo declare war, oh. Okwarena. Buhari Georgia, oh. Garuba Sheudo. He don't declare war. Wait now, my brother. Pardon me. I will show my face. Wait. I don't declare war. I just the door here. They are declare war to our people. They don't declare war. Wait. Don't be my face. You'll see my face. Don't worry. May I stand down? May you for see her. They don't declare war. Million more. This video na short one. They don't declare war. Palliative. Our Edo people made a stand up. This is not the time to fight for anybody. Defend yourself first. Very good. Let's stand myself back. Because of you, I will show my face. Let me stand up. Body daughter, you. They want to fight you now. Make your hands up. They want to fight you. Everything else they upside down. If you don't see my face now, see my face, Sipa. You see my face, Sipa. See my face, Sipa. You don't see her now. Winter, no facility. Electricity, na zero. Quality education, na zero. But wait. They suffer, oh, politics. They don't declare well. This one not be the title where you may help. I beg, may you tell your people. I don't take go back or secure their life now. Now we do. This is not the title where you may help. This is not the title where anything your body. Oh, this is the time of war. We have to fight this war. Thank you, my people. Thank you, Epa. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Fake Buhari don't declare war. Garuba Sheudo don't declare war. Don't declare war. Garuba Sheudo have declared war. Garuba Sheudo. Oh, Buhari don't die. Not the dead. Garuba Sheudo have declared war. I want to fight war. Our external security. You have to pray for them. They don't declare war. Now the truth be that. You have declared war. Our Edo people must stand up and fight this fight. Una say una want see the war finish. Una know what do and half. Now wait till una tell me. Now they don't declare war. You be prepared. They say they don't declare war. They have called me now. They have declared war. Buhari have declared war. Please, our people have to come out and fight. Una say, una want to and may finish. Una don't want to and half again. This is the time. Come and join security. Come and train. They don't block everywhere now for Edo State. There is nowhere you can talk to anybody. Finish able the boat. We are not Biafra. if they break one of your leg, you know whether you be Biafra or not. You know they talk again. Anything we want to, you know they talk on. Fini Shaibu must be free shot and destroy Fini Shaibu. Destroy it. We are Biafra 100%. Now we start am. Now we be original. Buhari is dead. So this war, we have to be prepared. They want to fight war. And number two things, our Edo people now know say na two people now they fight. Now Fulani don dey there, which is the Bobizwa Atoni Kabaka. You have to fight them as well because they are Fulani. Nothing say they'll scare you, know. That is why I say come and train, come and join IPOB and train. I will come back this video. Today I'll do video each 3 times. Our people need to be at alert. I will not stay long so that una wey dey Nigeria, una see video take watch, una see data take lis ten to this video. War don start. Buhari is dead. He don die. He don die. We go win. Una no fear. He don die. Una say una wan mass Buhari. Go there now, mask him. Go there. Go and mass Buhari. Buhari is dead. Okay? Thank you very much. I'll come back. Now, Epa, God will bless you, Baba. I beg, mona use phone tell una family. Make una family make them go, make them join instant security network for that those state. They there. I beg, because they block everywhere. They don't want them to hear anything. Not only their media, even they are threatening their media not to talk. So please, sir, please, ma, send the message to your family. Just send that to your phone. You go see, you go send that to now. So if not, they'll keep people for Edo State, because those ones they not they hear anything where they go on. They say they not sit at home. Not be who listen to news say sit at home. Not be go sit at home. They not here. They not here. So nobody tell them. So nobody tell them to sit at home. So they're not here. What we are saying here is people that is outside the country that are hearing it. In Nigeria, they block all their contact. They don't see news. I'm telling you the fact. No news, nothing. Please share the video. Even though you not share it for media, share it to your brothers and sisters. The war has started. They say the fake Buhari have said we must fight war. Because our leader, Dr. Oka, yesterday say we must fight war. And that word with the fair fight before, we are going to fight it now. Our Igbo brothers have been fighting. They are my Southeast people. God will bless you now. Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, Abia. God will bless all of you. Now they battlefield. They see him. God will bless you now. This is not the time to joke. You people are fighting. You have been fighting. Don't worry. All of us are Biafra. We must fight this war and stop not this rubbish. We must be free. We must free ourselves for all this Janjaweed. But Janjaweed there, those states. Two Fulani or 2 one, I won't fight. But Bizwa and Tony Kabaka and Janjaweed, they don't go carry Sariki. So the emir where it come from Kanu, we not see him. We not see Oba Bini, so something's fishy, you know. We are here to watch it there. Something's fishy. We not see them. So, but Bizwa and Tony Kabaka, they are the one that will be killing our boys now. The name of security, secret court. So we not see them. So we they wait. The video where they bring come out, we not see anybody. So you see, something's fishy. All those people where they talk like. We dey here, we dey wait for them. You understand? So my brothers and sisters, please, let's be ready. This war, we must fight it. Yes. I will take fight time. And I know that these people are very stupid. Why I'm shouting that Edo people, Robo people, all of you, please join instant security. We want to train. We want to train even some of Festus, they go house. He said they go house. All this our brother, they are going home. Yes. When it starts, I said they should hold on first, but they will go home because Aragbara say don't go in magic. So everybody is going home. So, but first of all, we have to wait first. We have to organize ourselves. This war don't start. We are going home. You understand? Thank you, my people. Yes, I am a little bit young. You know, when I cut my head, I was young. So, man, not be that one, will not be beauty with the wash now. We are watching, they are going, war one start now because Buhari don't declare war. The fake Buhari, because Buhari don't die. Garuba Shehu have declared war. He said they have to start the war right now. So, what I want to tell us now, if Urobo people, Edo people, the Ijo, if they come together, if they key people from Imo Wewe, wo pa go that how many there be? There not many. Wo pa go. If na Edo State is there, wo pa go. If na Urobo State, na will take conquer these people. If not, they don't they kill our brothers or Igbo. If they run, if we gather, if we many, they'll run. Because now we get land. You cannot come from Saudi Arabia say now you get land. No, now wow. So we must come together and fight. Don't be selfish. Let us do this thing once and for all. Let us fight. Those of you now will now go carry a social bomber. Mona you go train. If you not train, you are useful. Like one of our brother we just died now, brother Osas. Brother Osas just died. He just died for nothing. Eh? When I for go put am for command, he go there they soft. Now he think that. They say he sleep, he no wake up. Eh? Instead of may go do a commander for Eastern security. He just die, just waste. Eh? I bet me want put on my brother. I want they call them. Maybe they call it Eastern security. I want they call them now because maybe no one force them. Me want they put them. You have to be a commander in Eastern security. Instead of now they think they die. Oh no, that one no, you know what? I want they put them for. I beg, make una dey put, mona dey atalat, I beg, because war don't start. Mona no me Felicia, I pull that useless Mona no your mind now. Mona make go kill himself. Say, I don't know. Hello, Baba. What torame? Here we are blockade ya the zoo dog. Here you receive information. Me watere life with me. Ubeye, iya wa blockade ya. My brother Okore di Buhari declare Okone. Fake Buhari.
Mohammed Yusuf, where they are bringing the war, no problem, they should come. They are highly welcome.
Okay, now, Baba, why you give information? I made that I'll share this thing for you now. Publisher, made the publisher for everywhere. Made the publisher, make all those stupid our brothers. Make them not go there. I want to send that for you. Make them not go there fight for but this one Emia now. Now 2 fight the 1 fight. So though they fight Bobizzo and Tony Kabaka, though they still they fight police.
Mama, you don't like.
I dey alive, oh. You know they see me.
Okay, I won't let you know. Okay, see what I want to tell you now. Anybody where they believe say Bobizzo, because who say Oba no know what they happen, now like the person they lie. Or Bobizzo who they deceive himself, say Bobizzo who carry that to the person they deceive himself. Now colonization agenda, now they don't accompany so. Okay. Now to colonize the land, they don't use Bobizzo. I don't give a title. I know say Bobizzo love title. But me, personally, I get problem with Bobizzo. That one, I will set our problem. I don't put anybody.
But Oba, my brother, wait, may I still tell you one thing. That Emia way come. You know, say when Oba go river, Oba talk na be, or everybody say for video. But with this one, we don't see Oba. We don't see anybody. We don't see the Emia self. Who did they fool?
They deceive themselves, but I want to tell you something. Don't say yes, the way they discuss. I say I won't send you some posts. The people from that land, everybody are waking up. They no say the so-called not be Oba because we not get Oba for our land. What we get for our land, now elders will not get Oba. So the name alone, it don't discredit them. Oba not get anything to offer for that land. If he say na father, truly say na father. Your ass is born. The best you put ass, put fire for your ass. You call your children, they can follow you, say, but you never off the fire. That one, the people, they know some foolishness with that one.
Not be foolishness, they know what it that they do. The one is like mess everybody. So my brother, more not to talk. Me want come out now. I'll come back to live video. I will come live video many times today. See, I bet my brother, I want make the news dey circulate say Okwoje make dem come join us, join Eastern Security. If dem no wan still join us, make dem even wait for the war. You understand?
Yes. Many of the friends that I get na Facebook, and the Facebook e remain 17 days now before they open my Facebook account.
They still block me o. Igbe wa we wo me. See they say Philly Shaibu talk yesterday, abi day before yesterday, say Edo no be Biafra. But e be like say na Philip Shaibu will taste out to Abi. Who will kill first?
That one, now one man, one vote. They not fit decide for everybody. Make una leave.
But if they want stand for our road, now Shaibu will taste out. So because we know they.
We know they talk too much. Everybody decide. You go. No, you don't decide for me. Then me go decide for myself. Every man with you. I not go decide for my wife. I not go decide for my children. Everybody go decide for himself. You understand me? So even my father cannot decide for me. So I will not go decide for me. It is my right to decide for myself. So we put on then in the work for us. You know, because they decide what to be or what to not be. It's a very stupid and foolish man for him to even make that statement. Even the governor not get right to even make that stupid statement. Even the whether the super president Boko Haram not get the right to make that statement. Say no referendum. We must go for referendum and we will decide for ourselves.
Okay.
So that will be the only conclusion. No war. We're not they call for war, but if they call for war, we will give out to them.
Okay. They don't call her. They don't call for war now. We need circulation. Our this is not good. Our satellite. We need circulation. We need circulation. Make people hear them.
If they block one way, another way go open.
Okay.
So now the message will not forget to talk online. Say see the way go, the way they use.
Okay.
But we let them know any way they like. Make they block 10 ways, 1 billion ways. They when you open, we wise pass them.
Okay.
So we
I
are
trust
wiser
you,
than our
Baba.
enemy.
Okay.
I
greet you, Baba.
Let's be long.
What is kake buwera me? What? Oh mama, wait. You know, our people must hear them. Hello, Festus. Where you dey sis? I dey call you. Hello.
I dey hear wetin you talk. Good morning. They say Philip Shaibu say they don't be family, not be Biafra.
Say na family not be Biafra. He say
family not in the talk now. If Nigeria want divide, they not be their governorship, not relevant again. Understand so? Now only that one thing they will know. If Nigeria want divide and referendum don't come, they not be governor again. But they don't know that one. People say they decide for them. They can talk with it they like for them. If Nigeria want divide, if you make the case say that now war, Nigeria want divide, Nigeria want to divide. What shall go for our people now? So make sure we know the whole we busy people. Now bodyguard they follow her. Make it carry bodyguard outside. They see you know the whole what they decide for people. Whether they decide for their family, they don't come that they decide for anybody for that place. But we know say they be full and if you finish now this thing for corner, not be
ouchie, yes.
Ouchie for the corner because they select them. They do governor and deputy governor. They select them Obaseki from Yoruba land. They select them pre corner. So if the time reach, everybody will decide for a family where you won't belong to. Because at the end of the day, the land belong to Biafra. Even though say those people, even though say me and they bring me a comfort there, and I will take the first stay there. I will take the government talk. Now they will take they do something. We are not Nigeria again that time, and they don't know. They just decide for themselves. So me I leave you.
Thank you, Baba. I'll call you soon. Hey, my people. We may I first share this tip to our brother because the Facebook I said may they go break bank. They know they you know. I don't know. May I first share and go give our brother. Facebook, when go break bank. Now money they take the oppress now. Now money they give Facebook. Now money they give YouTube. Now money now they give everybody. May I say this thing for you, my brother?
Hello, mama. La Senegal.
You said that I don't say.
Facebook, la Senegal.
Facebook, won't die him. Mona open many accounts. They block my Facebook. They block her. I don't fit do anything. I they watch you. I don't fit share. I don't fit do anything. Can't do anything. Facebook now bad people, evil people. They don't bad them. And our people now they deal. That place on Lagos, those state people na food here because we now like first off me all these our Edo people Now Edo people they pack people for there, make they block them. We know everything. Yoruba people, now Yoruba people see we block them. But so Yoruba they block also. We know. But they want the year, not be everything what they thought that the year. So then I told people they all this ile be known and that they help them. So my brothers and sisters, please. Now anybody can all gone because now war now start so. Yes. Now war, this war we must fight and finish. Yes. We know the fear. We they prepare for the war since. And our Igbo brothers have been fighting the police and the army Janjaweed. They have been fighting them. If you think there is no war, there is war. In Anambra State, mostly Imo, there is war. Una see what they be go do now. They go kill that man. Put for Imo. No, he said that they kill him. Show whatever come on. Hey, they shoot me. They shoot. You see, they don't. You see, Biafra. I love. I can die for Biafra. I know by the talk. I love Una. I don't understand. I love Una. Show what weird person for spray that tear gas. They go bring her come out. I shared her yesterday. They bring her come out. I come and say, show what a liar. Our leader just play that audio record. You know what's on that? Showore is a criminal. Una way they follow Showore, una no get sense. I dey tell you, una no get sense. The hotel where Showore they sleep for Abuja. Na you. This fake administrator, this Buhari president, they pack money give Showore. See, if not be our leader, if not be our leader, what me? I don't know what I want to do for you. If not marry, I'll marry. I don't know what you don't already marry. I dey tell you, be my first love. You don't know what happen. Therefore, put Yoruba for Yoruba people, Adeshino and Garuba Shehu. Therefore, put Showore for president. Una no know. Because if they do, our leader no. So this fake Buhari issue, it don't they use and sink. They no fit do am. Everywhere, tight up. Before that they do it, they know. Then they even ask themselves, who they tell them? When God is with you, who can be against you? Nobody. That person go kill yourself. So, my brothers and sisters, you see, they have been playing with our head. They have been playing with our intelligence. You see, that is why we suffer, because we know they talk. Some people say, you don't talk, or you don't. If you don't talk, how you add the thing? If our leader not the shout, they come. Since 20 years now, or let me just say 10 years, 11 years, 12 years. If you know the shout, they come. How you want to know, say the thing bad? Few time, where our people take do SARS, all the whole Zoom, take do SARS. See what you don't see. Me I play for now. Me I play. Now get money, now they here, now they come, they cost me, now they stupid. Although I know they care. I use all of the tail raw body. Now freedom with the fat. After freedom, everybody waka you. I don't say to na message now. No. I don't say to na. If freedom come, everybody zap. Go your village. Go fisa. I want play out. No, I want play. No, not with this one. I want play for now. Now get that kind of money. Now they suffer. Come here, come they insult me. Me say you why? Me I don't say do now. I know the mail now because I know the mail now. I want money free. If you not free, me as I did, so I go my papa's. You want follow me go there? Come there. Here my boy. My brothers they'll kill you. You get one of my brother wait there, my cousin. Now waste. Now waste. May so rest in peace. If I come fight now, if I be commander-in-chief of our forces of ESN, that now waste. So therefore, I'll start to the call now. I don't see him.
Because you are a Nigerian. Yoruba man has spoken.
Okay.
Nigerians are not sincere.
Wow.
As I didn't tell you before. He's a Nigerian. He's telling you that their people are not sincere. Did I not tell you before that they are not sincere?
Okay.
You want to know what is insincerity? I will give it to you the way it is.
Give them
because patently evil.
Okay.
Yes, Nigeria is evil. Do you know how much they stole? 400 billion pounds. Europe coming to UK.
Una money.
Russian, they see the amount of money they steal.
So you were there, Africa country, because they cost me. You hear that? You hear that?
Very close to $1 trillion. An amount of money that can build second Niger bridge, pay for free education for every child.
SLS, it don't do. It don't do, Baba. It don't do. That boy when they come in for Africa country now, they suffer for there. They come, they insult me. You see, Africa country just come me with this money, begin insult your head. What they come? I know say I not good. I know say una not like me, but it doesn't matter. No, because if I dey go my papa house, you will not follow me there. I swear. If you go there, my brothers go ask you, what are you doing here? This is not your premises. Get out. If you don't get out, I trust my brother wey your senior me. Forget say na pastor. If they give am God, go do one that if they do am. Forget say don't call repent for Europe. Don't call they go fire Moshe Jean church. Forget oh. If you get just a God, go do wonder. Forget. You go give you go do wonder. If he ask you where you for come, who you be, he go shoot you, you go die. I trust that my brother. Not go there because they pray. Jesus go bless you tomorrow. Hey, you are blessed. You are because they don't call give a title pastor, maybe pastor for Spain. Forget if they give that one go do wonder. So my brother, wey dey Africa country, me and you not get anything. You see, I doesn't know you for anywhere. You understand? You are not my brother. I did not know you. You are not my friend before. So fuck you and fuck what you are doing. We didn't see her back. We not see her. We not see him here. So what are you telling us? We dey look now. We dey here. Everything where they want is up. We dey here. Thank God for abroad. We get social media. You can't come and block our. You can block our Facebook. Give us more. One like me now. 1 month. It go open. You block her again 1 month. Like Festus now. They don't block you Facebook again. So now if you block her, we open another one. We dey watch you now. So you cannot lie to us. We want freedom. We have to be free. So if they give una money, mona call they cost me. Mona they so I don't give a fuck. What thing are they fair? You are ready to be free. If you don't want free, may you go kill yourself. After all, una be emir. But Bizwa is an emir. Now, so Tony Kabaka say he like her. If the war come, they don't already tell now say, would they be Fulani? Look the man and look the Bobiza. Look the video. They not resemble. They be one people. But we are not emir. We are not full. We are not their brother. We will not be one. We are not one. Let me show you my people. Wait, we are not one. Yes. Wait first. Let me show you guys. Bobizwa this thing. Hello, Baba. Festus.
You dey live?
I still there. I dey live. You know no.
I send you one video just now. Nigeria people, they don't run come out for Nigeria. They dey airport. They want run come out.
Okay.
Big men, they want run come out.
They don't declare war now. They don't declare war. Make them not run. Our people make they block everywhere. They want carry their children run. You see, waiting with they talk. They want carry their children run. Wait first. I want show una the Bobizwa video. Wait, behavior whether they not resemble.
It is my pleasure duty to bid you a genial.
Now big boy. See Bobizwa picture. Mona no matter that Bobizwa picture and the Emia picture. They not resemble. They resemble now. Leave this guy. Mona leave all this idiot. Una not see the picture. Say they resemble. So what are we saying? They are Fulani. They don't already tell. Okay, according to one of my pa yesterday, he say where they want for do the emir. Say Benin not be emir that they see. Na Nige that they see. The Nige are telling you now that they are emir. If you doesn't do something, they will tell you, they will Islamize you. You come and be a Fulani man. If you have to act now, so you don't sit down there and be saying where they want for Dwan. Not be Edo State, not be the land. You see, they want to run away. They want to carry their children and run away. You see, huh? And poor man now, he don't have money. He cannot run. He cannot do anything. You see, huh? You see what they tell now since? Say, kill these people. Kill them. Easy. Now everything our leader call the tell now take it there. Kill these people. See, my people, it's easy. As Edo State dey so, we many where we pack enter one place, one politician or one special place, pack enter, they go run live una. Bayelsa, una no say as they take destroy the palace. Very simple. Amame tamu wawe. If una dey go there, una make sure say at least 100 people get gone. Yes, if the innocent people dey front, if they still say they don't dey shoot, the one we get gone for inside, they'll go front. Una go back. Very simple now. Okay, una all of una want there for suffer. That one way they Africa country they say akpa bobo. Now idiot. See my brother, not be my brother now from Sariki area. We are not brother na ile bino. You know. That boy now, he don't know say he a slave. He don't know. Until they tell you say you be slave, you don't know say you be slave. Ozuo. I will beg you. My brothers and sisters down there, talk to your people. They can do it. 100 get gone or 200 get gone. The rest people pack enter the place. If they come out, their security come out, they come they shoot our people. Then our people have to run back. Those ones who get gone, attach the people where they shoot them. If na army or police, attach them. Then they'll kill all of them. They'll kill them. People die for our side. The people still die for them. But because of say many people are very stupid. Everything pop. If they shit, pop. If they drink water, pop. If they want die, pop. Now make out. Heaviness and wickedness and selfishness. Now they worry them. So, if you are good people, tell your brother and your sister to join instant security. To go and train. Don't come online. I want to go carry bomb. I want to go do social media, social mission. I want to go do this. Don't come online and say it to. Just go to join POB. Go and join instant security. They not they use keep there. If you go there, they give you book, Bible. You pull your shoe, you swear, I will be obeyed by so. They know they drink cola, they know they drink anything. Then you go do what you want to do. You are doing it for your land. You are not doing it for una the kind of doing it for me. Now the truth. You go and do what you want to do, and let us be free. Don't be selfish. Or SARS now he die. He just die waste. Instead of to be commander for Edo State, I want the call of them now. I want to call them. Make the call be commander. I be not want to disturb una. But for now, I want the call now. Una must be commander. See how they don't they run. I see her yesterday. I see the airport. Everywhere busy. They want run. See her now. Here left for her.
This is it. People have activated their plan B. Running away from Nigeria.
Okay.
Look at the departure hall.
Okay.
I don't know the last time I saw departure so full.
Okay.
Yes. See how departure is so full. Look at everybody. Just look at that. Look at that. Can you imagine? This is a plan D activated. I'm going to go and pack my load. I don't even know where I'm going to be going. It is the Cotonou. I won't look at my Baragawa. But I would have said let me go back to Google, but who's not going to Google? So maybe Cotonou. I should go there. I should go to Cotonou.
You see, you see what I'm shouting for? Okay, people will not fit chop now. They want to run come out. They can even go to the nearest city. Like who they stay Benin City now, cannot go to Esa village and stay there. You see? You see what I was shouting? That we hold the money. We can share the you see my people. May I play that he dead was yesterday. May I play my no say so you no get sense. May I play and may I can't go small. You see, huh? You see what I was shouting for? Now, if now the time I say they shout, our leader they shout, they are jack our people all of una shit. They shout. Now no fit do anything. Now dead here. Now see, they want to run away. They don't share the money. You know, get your share. They don't share them. May I play my hair? May I play my hair? Now yesterday, now they do your anniversary. May I play this man? It they talk. Oh yeah, no say yo. This man, you continue to the recipes they go. Oh, you see, they don't share more Nigerian money. They don't share them. They are not going. Una we not consider get to go. Una say una still die. Yeah. Una still die. Onga go still kill una because the country is not moving. They want to run away. People where they put rule the country now. They want to run evil now. Now they do wa me rock back. Oh. Now see, they want run. Mumu people, that useless boy, me and you can't get sense pass now. You dey Africa country, they insult me. Me and you who get sense pass. I tell my people, I just these people make them share money. Hey, why Sophia, you be mumu? You know, guy, you don't know which country they're from. The country don't die. Make they all breed in many one, make we check, make we destroy everything, make everywhere spoil. Hey, now they want run. Who they want live for? Una. Mona ready now, quarter now, you the clock on them. He said, who they suffer, they think. Not me, this music, me. Oh, they don't run. All of them don't run. The poor ones now, they cannot run. They don't have the money. They don't have it. They cannot even from Edo State go to Agbo sef. Who never shop now want go Agbo? Who never see food shop? This is money. How bad they celebrate? They do birthday. How bad? Okware na. Wado gago. Aisaga. Why wanna move 5,000 naira? Come and see now. Okware Nigeria destroy them. Oh, Majike, don't destroy her. Nigeria is not good again. Nigeria is destroyed. Oh, God. You know, this man is saying, who you they cheat, they think. Now it will be with this music where they play on and not understand. Who you they cheat, they think. And if you can't see what he never see before, he will go they shout, hey. Now they happen so. And they tell this country, break bank, break everywhere, break traditional ruler, break everywhere. Mona no break if na my break can. Need the share money. Sophia, you are doing violent. You are propagating violent. Don't they speak baby useless English? You are propagating violent. You are doing violent. You want everywhere. Marianne, I never spoil. Everywhere don't spoil, don't cast. They run. They run, live now. Mona die for it. Now me. You people that cannot eat square meat now, you go die for it. Yes. That boy where they shout, where they insult me. Nah, maybe na Libya, or maybe na Togo. They know the Nigeria. You see, now the innocent one with the shout for. You know, not be all these these useless people where they around. No, innocent one with the shout for. Even though na me, wanna destroy her. Go back, destroy back. These people tell they'll bring referendum quick. No, here. That they carry her. Now, Mona, no worry. Now, war go want destroy her. We they pray for war. We not they pray me war not come. We they pray me batty come because if batty not come, no get sense. Una no get sense. We they pray me batty they happen because una no get sense. Una be mugu. Yes, una be mugu. those of una wey do SARS, una not join o. You know, see all those one where they run up and down, they celebrate birthday or every day party. All those one, now there be the mungu. All those our people with they key for SARS or plus the one we do. Hi, can you hear me with Victor? Let me plug it for you. We are here. Come. So all those ones where they celebrate every time that they kill Emila, that they kill cow, that they celebrate, that they share money between them. They'll say make the rest they suffer. If they want go do, they go buy one bag of rice, go give those one. And all of us now we get money. God will punish you now. If the war they come anyway, so all those people now that they go kill you now. Una don't know anything. We they pray for war. We they pray for violence because now they use our people. Yes. But now he don't dey sit now. This person now Obaseki don't dey sit. Now he be your Ghana. Now so another Tony Prabaka don't finish. He come. Next 4 years, another person. You see, huh? Now so will the day, my people. No, it will not continue. So we they pray for violence. Make big thing happen. Make our people get sense. Yes, but they be try for exercise. So, una way do exercise, una try. Many day prison, we know that they suffer. Many die put, but we know. But one day, man go die anyway. So you see, one day, man go die. We dey shout for now. Me, I don't know what is going to happen, and I don't give a fuck. If I die, Mona not cry. My children cry for me. Now they go miss me. Una way they fake cry. Mona not cry. We know what is going on. Don't cry. We are in abroad and we know what is going on here. Don't cry for me. You know? So we want make bad thing happen because if bad thing not happen, our people know they get sense. I tell you now, let us break bank. Let us share money. No, violate. See, one don't know whether bank did here. No day. No, not leave all those police stations. I mean, barrack where they built. Me, I trust my own people. Urobon and Edo State. All those people, if they want to start now bank, that they go. Because if they're hungry, they know if you use all this stomach, go fight. It don't fair happen. During Babagida must go. They'll break bank, they'll collect their money, they'll who stand for their way, finish book, kill them. Idiot. Because say they put, I don't know, be Biafra, Zara. Kill her, throw away, make go kill yourself. My brothers and sisters, no Jesus Christ be your God. Now God where you carry, that be your God. And instant security as it did so, that be your God. God Fulani want kill everybody. They don't go initiate what they call Tony Kabaka, Bobizo. And our Bini people, they all stand. They all do like this. They all they look like say nothing they happen. Igbo not good though. Igbo. They do business. They do stage. They do this. Igbo now say, "Mo come together and fight." No, Charger is not here. Go and take the Charger. Igbo say, "Come, let's come together in round table and let's fight." Fulani no they consult you a war. Fulani they don't cram Bobizwa. They know say Bobizwa na killer before. He picking now for Germany. They don't bring saga. They don't want make people attention not go that side. They do saga. You know, our Eastern people are very smart. I totally love them. I don't know why. You see, our Eastern people are smart. Emiana don't dare those states. Benin people don't buy big saga for social media like say they not see. No, very smart. You people, you know, focus. Our Eastern brothers, they are focused. Yes, they are focused. Yes. You know near their side at all. Thank God, all the no Jason they be Biafra. It's a oje. Now maybe not they talk to them. They not just argue around. They say they be even Romy. Go and ask him. Say the royal Mawali that they call them. The royal highness. Where are you from? Biafra. Very simple. We want to see where Benin people now love they all sit down. Hey, where they want for do the emir for Benin? The douane, nothing they happen. The douane, the convert all of una. Now, dead. Now, why? Me not get problem. After I don't dey stay there, I just dey do my own. Now God I do. I don't get problem. No. I don't get problem. They know they say how. They say how you go stay for where convenience for you. Both they do. You say anything you have. You go and stay where near river. Where very very convenience. Where you dey free take fresh air. If you don't, they will grow old. So Mona know you think about me. Mona they think about na like una no get sense. Osan oje uromi. Now what to? Our royal highness say na Biafra. Come and kill me. I am a Biafra. He don't already talk. I don't talk. All the ONOJ, the one we believe enough for it. All of them say they be Biafra. So you have nothing to say. Felicia, I be just the church. Talk that like say in Naemia. So if time come, we'll cut them come out. Oh yeah, Mona go that side. I want cheap people that be Biafra. Mona go. Now one man one vote now. Some people 100% Biafra. So they are not the fear. So Mona JJ, Mona de Zuo. Uromi, which is the capital city of Esaland. Royal Highness, what? They say they be Biafra. So you see Facebook. Facebook, we dey see you now. We dey see that job. Facebook, you see, it was 60 something. It was 60 something, and now it's now 100 something. Facebook, we not the fair viewer. We dey tell now. Now make the pass on. Waiting with the talk. Make the pass on. Make our people heart. Where you see Facebook. We not send on a message. We know the fair viewer. Now our people made the list because war one starts now. The fake body don't sign paper. Say make the fat war. We may go this time. Corona online we go win this time. Majike, Shonsa, your SLA. We are going to win. We not the fear. No, we go lose people. Now I'm not sure. Although people they die anyway, Benue they not the fat war, but people are still dying. They are killing them massive. So die na die, you sleep down. I see they kill you, gon kill you. Die na die, you die. Be not die, you die. So my brothers and sisters, be prepared because na 2-1 na 1-5 for Benin City. Yes, Tony Kabaka and his brother Bobizo Adu, they are not emir. You people have to be concerned about it. No sugarcoating. I called one guy for Benin yesterday. Me, I not mention his name. He said, what's the destruction of Biafra? Which destruction? You dey fight for freedom. Our destruction is everybody equal right and justice. You can speak. As I dey talk, so they no call cash. Hey, no fear, nothing. Not be saying some people just enter power. They just send mobile police or army go and arrest so person. No, until she or he is guilty. You don't have that right. You don't have the right. So that is what we are fighting for. That is our instruction. Biafra not getting instruction. We want equal right and justice. Forget it. They'll keep us today. Vigilante will keep us today. They'll say solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. They'll go bury and go through. Tomorrow they'll kill another one. They'll go bury and next tomorrow they kill na small. So now they what is the instruction of Biafra? Biafra not getting instruction. Our instruction is 1 man, 1 vote. Everybody equal right and justice. You talk, I talk. God not the verse. If I offend you, carry me, go court. That's our instruction. We want to feel like human being like abroad. We not get any of that instruction. So my brothers and sisters, you see, our own and our objective is Biafra. Puto Biafra. Equal right and justice. Everybody do your own, I do my own. If now only 1 man after the war, now you remain. Continue the do and they go. If now only 1 man, 1 woman, continue, but it must come. After this war, Mona they listen to our leader, it must come. We'll see and you see. What damn you from see, they don't run no, they don't share money in lay. They won't run. Maybe many they go Togo, many they go Cotonou, many they go Morocco. That's so they all share themselves everywhere. You now, Wazua, now we poor people now come there. I know the same money go Nigeria again. That one I don't take. I know the same. They say people where they work to free. Finish. Wazua now see all of them don't run no. They don't run. May I play? They don't run.
Because you are a Nigerian. Yoruba man has spoken. Nigerians are not sincere.
They are not. They are not. That's why we want bad thing to happen to them. Go sleep. Who is Zuo? Oh, Quadena! Sleep, Igbo. Let me block you here, idiot. Block. Fool. Go sleep. Fool. If na Italy you dey, oh, Quadena. Mumu.
400 billion pounds is in Europe, is in Asia, according to UK Group.
John Terry, whether na Jerry, John Jerry. Fool, go sleep. Azua, boy now a big
Very close to $1 trillion. An amount of money that can build second Niger bridge, pay for free education for every child, make sure that all roads are built, you have running water, you have electricity.
Hey, John Terry, Jerry, when madam, I bet you are idiot. Fool. Come here. Money that can train children in the Zoom to school. Come here, mumu. Now work now console. So go and tell your family work now console. Me don't block you. You not feel look me again because you be idiot. Now they confuse our people on social media. You people don't have any special thing that you use to increase their life. Oh now saga. Now they do saga. Body go they tell now. Now they say okay. One talk say only Benin is peace. Only Edo State is peaceful. Not peaceful. Not peaceful. Never peaceful. Mona wait. Then they come. Yes, the war it go reach Edo State because all of una now they want initiate una to Fulani. Not peaceful. You're peaceful at all. Then they come. They are coming. For lockdown, the Urobo people invited before they come kill 16 people. No, they not invite army before they kill 16. So then they kill now we be Benin small. Una not get sense. Then they kill now. They want wipe now for room they put me for them. Why? Hello, Baba. What Rame? Hello, Rame.
Hello.
What Baba? Oh, Biafra, we heard you. Yes.
Oh, you did not profit to Ikodomiko.
We heard you.
You are the children of light.
We heard you, Baba.
I didn't listen to your analysis. When the first time before you sent me that video, I don't know see it online. I want to use this opportunity to tell our people. You can think maybe our mom is shouting, disturbing you people. Come on. You not get it to one game from my head that because of my existence. That is why we are shouting. And the youth, if it is with a lie, Mama, I believe you don't see this video, this comedian for Benin.
I don't see him. That does one where they not talk about anything Nigeria. Don't they confuse our people? You understand?
No, I get the reason why I bring that guy Matako. Because when I listen to the guy, when they talk, I see tears for him, but I not pity them because why? They're supposed to use that platform to educate our people of the danger which they come ahead of them. You understand? So, but people now they want to smile, they want to laugh, they want to play music, they want to support Chesty. When they say the people who get Chesty and answer now Manchester and the people where they oppress you.
Okay.
You understand?
And they where? Go London, then they pay children. Then they pay them. They go to free education. Everything free. If you want to go to university, you are living in London, you can go. Now, no get sense.
Mama, people that side too far, una way dey Europe too far. Where me I dey for Libya here. The kind of life they are living. We say the people say Libya put to the sleep. God will punish that person. When your life dey normal, the government take off you. Why you not go relax? Why you know they pay light bill, you know they pay electricity bill, you know they pay water bill. Government, 4 months and government, they say Libya they fight for, but still better pass that damn neighbor zoological republic. Come any you two they listen to this message, or when you call listen to this message after this program, the next thing you have to do, wake up. See, not that if your pastor tell you say for you to go fortify yourself, say that sin. Tell that pastor is very stupid because the pastor gets security with the protector. Everyone
They want running. They want run. They dey airport. You not see the video. They want run. Which pastor? They want run.
They get money. See, go Mama, they tell you, say, when I go break back, go because, see, I support it 1,000,000% because it's our money. Now our money they cheap for there. Break those two places. Use the money to go and buy ammunition. Or if you not fit get ammunition, gather from the guerrilla war. If 5-6 people enter one corner, collect gun for policeman or for soldier hand. From there you start the mission. We are coming to come and support you people. We are not say with the man say maybe with the joke, say people say with the, we are coming to support you people because the world don't reach our domo. There's no need to say which day when I want come we not get gun for war. They know the spirit. Anything you can use this country, they collect weapon. Nobody will say they can carry armor and come to you before you don't say get ammunition. Wake up, but this one are enemy of that land. All of Philip are enemy of that land. Una the list are the gullible ones. They don't feel even the upper they are say now mean their descendants. Una see it say we are don't light or blue warrior. Why we don't light? Where the light they go? Darkness full everywhere. The city of blood. Una will say she said don't light. Una they do swagger. They kidnap una. You see that place there for kidnap that. 2003, I was coming back from Auchi Polytechnic that night. When as we read that particular sport has been not be saying a terrorist sport right from time. And now people are come to say that place. Now they kill people. Soldier go near there 5 minutes. Not be say soldier go there after the operation. They have to say who's going to carry. It has happened to me live and direct. So if they are not complicit. Soldier where they put him and protect people's life. You go call the civilian and say who's going enemy carry. So you know the year when they shoot the gun. If you people refuse to wake up now, it will be too late for you. Go and join ESN now. That is the only formidable force that can withstand the damnable zoological republic of Fulanization animalistic kingdom. If you not go join them now, the security outfit in that land, they are not there to protect. They are there to protect their evil palace because that demonic palace that place. And the year one fool, this what is this star pass have been away to be named. He said Benin is the oldest kingdom. It's not Benin. I will continue to repeat it again because I will need to educate our people.
What if kingdom give them? No, you not follow around you for that one. But the kingdom now, what have he provide for you as a human being? You ask them. Okay,
well, the reason why I say not because they use that name of Itu to cover up their crime. Come put and say na Benin. There's not like Benin. It's ancient city of Itugodomigodo. So Oba of Benin is a visitor. It's still only our rent. He never pay us our rent. When I go ask, what be a job as a teacher? What be the reason why they pay? What make they pay there? So it's not the owner of that land because I never see a landlord they pay rent to a tenant. You understand me? So you people should wake up. Oba is not for you. Oba is an enemy to the land. Before this idiot for Sokoto for Kano call they tell you say Oba na a brother. You people should not that him. There are 3 brothers that came from Saudi Arabia. Now Sudan they for leave themselves. You people should wake up now. Oba is an enemy to that land. We not hate anybody. We not disrespect Edda. But anybody will be Edda when he misbehave. Tell her straight to his face, say he's a fool. Oba is a fool. We're busy an enemy to that land. They cannot kill our people, use our people for sacrifice. With the brother Bobby, so when they be from Milefe, because they use the cover up, say that they give the title. We don't need title for our land. What we need is total, complete freedom. Any youth go and fortify yourself is not a sin. Now what the God of our land give to us. That is why they carry Bible to come and mislead you people. Wake up now, Bible na scam, religion na scam. If you want to know whether religion na scam, go study how to make a slave by William Lynch. Go and read that book. You go get sense. You go know say religion na scam. That is why you cannot fight. The authentic will slap us for this side, give us the other side. Na lie. Those things where do your land, those plants now for you to protect yourself. Don't ask me again.
I want play Idahosa died 1994 or 5. Me want play Idahosa for them.
98. I respect that man.
Na 98 I be 96. Na 96 so. Na 96 my brother. I not reach 98 because 96 I see the teenage. 95, 96, 9,000 I go the burial. Not be 98.
So
98 I don't grow.
What I'm saying is that religion and scam. Look at all the pastors today. They go they buy gun, they carry security.
More play Idahosa, my brother. More play Idahosa for them. What ramen? May I play Idahosa small before I go? Wait, I want to play Idahosa for you guys. May I play Idahosa for now? Mona see and say, no be today, don't take. Why we want to make Nigeria destroy? No be today, oh. Is that it has been long. And if it not destroy, only of Ife they run up and down, we are going to engage them. If you not leave only of Ife, may still do that post, make one engage you now. Una no say, now na grave, una wa dig. Mona wahuliye ya kwabare. Drag them. That's what I tell you, I say, he went in Benin.
You hear what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
In my city, read African history. Read of Benin City, BENINCITY. Up to 21 years ago, they used human beings for sacrifice. Human beings for sacrifice. When God raised me, he said the government will not stop it, but you.
They stop you.
I said, who?
My brother, I don't do. My brothers and sisters, I don't do. They stop him, they kill him. So you see, it's gone. It's our God. Gone a bullet. You see Israel. All of them, they carry gun up and down. Even the women. They are military. Everybody, children, they give their pistol to defend themselves. So, one pastor come, they tell you, say, now Jesus Christ, what you know they see. If you just die, you die through away. Life goes on. You say, nah, be that one save you. We know they see him. We have to imitate Israel. Una see how many rockets they throw. How many rockets that they throw, Israel, they cash out. Imagine say reach ground. You don't know how many people will go there. They don't to lose people. They don't want to lose their people anymore. Defend yourself. They don't want to. Defend yourself. Let's come together and fight. Useless Felicia Ibu say, Edo is not Biafra. Talk for yourself when the time come. And our Edo people destroy the bank. Destroy them. Collect the money. If it's not useful, go to the warehouse. Their warehouse. Break it. There is food here. There is this time, let me tell you, don't be looking for human hair or be looking for, like, if you are a boy, be looking for car. This time you look for what you will eat and use so survive. Because if Nigeria destroy Biafra in March, we are going to have a system whereby even if you not even get CC, I saw it be for year now. Yeah. Some months, you know, they get money. If na travel period we did now, how much be my tax return? You know, reach me to travel. In case if I want travel, you know, reach me travel now. Before I know how much I did get. This one where they want give me so because I need to get my tax return. You know, reach me travel 2,000 something. What I want use and do money will not reach. Say buy ticket for only my one speaking. Yeah. Even if you don't have money, but you only have money for food, you can live. You really leave the rest for God. Because if you are sick, they'll take care of you. If you don't have money, maybe you lose everything, you don't have a job, they will give you a house. So why will you be stressed? So if Biafra emerge, we are going to set up what will benefit everybody, not one person. Like now, they want to run away. They are going to abroad. They want to leave you there. You see what we are saying? Where will they share now? Now get money, now get money. Una not the listing. Una not the listing. I know because of Uname, I can't go the bleach. You know work. I cannot bleach. I like my skin like this. I rub crow. I not rub. It's like this. So because of Uname, I can't go the bleach. No, it not work. If you don't want to list it to me, when you are dead, you will list it to me. When you are in your grave, you will list it. You will know that, oh, this girl be like us, oh, hey, he be like me, oh. Now so you they talk, they go when you die. You understand? What I'm doing is for humanity. I'm not doing it for anybody. I'm doing it for God and humanity. Because what did they do, my papa? I don't feel forgive anybody. I can never forgive anybody. My father fought for the zone of Nigeria. But today, they pay him with bad. So therefore, I'm going to revenge on my father. I'm going to talk to people that will kill them as well. Yes. They die also. Everybody go there, they die. Nobody say, they don't kill my papa. They die. They enjoy. I don't know how many years they say they die. 90 years, 80 years. Your father, your mother died at the age of 50, 60. If they two last, 50, 55. The rest, their papa, their mama, they die 80s, 90. They're not, they even want die. So, let us spoil everywhere. Good, I be like man, where you big boy. I don't want to be like woman. Yeah, if I be like woman before, they'll ask. Because waiting me they do, you know if you do, I don't block you. Me, where I would, I would do. Waiting, maybe one if you be like man, I want to go fight war. They crazy. Idiot. I be like woman before, they don't ask question. They crazy. I be like man because I'm doing what man cannot do. Yes, I like it. I like my face like this. Before I can't bring my head come out like this, you know, say, I know what I do. They crazy. I want to be like woman before. I want to be like man. I want to do what man can do. I want to shoot gun. I want to be like woman. May you come friend me or may you come toast me. No, I don't want me you come toast me or may. I want to be like man. I want to do what man can do. What they do? So can you do a man? Can you do it? All of you now they fear. You people are afraid. Now they fear. They're not there where now they now they fear. You cannot speak. Like a man, you can't speak. If you want to speak, idiot. I want to be like a woman before. No, I want to be like a man. Yes. I know where I'm going. I know what I want to do. Yes. I like it. If you say I'm a man, I love it. Because I want to be like a man. You don't understand. I want to do what a man cannot do. So that when somebody reach there, they'll go open mouth and say, now this woman will not do this one. You the crazy idiot. I don't block you, may you get out. So my brothers and sisters, break the bank. Break it. Philip Kaibu cut his leg. Kill him. Now they are kidnapping you guys. If you not get property, most especially people in Rivers State, because they know say Rivers, they get money. They will kidnap you. They will tell your parents to go and bring money. Your parents will end up selling their property. Person that cannot feed before, they say may go bring 45 million naira or 100 million, 190 million. Una not get sense. Una they mad. I don't want to be like woman before. And a man want to be like that. They crazy. This one wanna do so. Una be like una. This one wanna do so. Eh? Una go sell una property. 100 million, 195 million. Now take go pay kidnappers. And the kidnappers is your government. And some people will say, don't go there, don't go there, don't go there, don't go back, don't destroy this, don't. Now your government, they do one. Even the lady that confess, now they hear her for social media. When the lady they talk, say, bring the total part, now for election. Bring the breast. Now for election, they butcher people. They butcher people like say tomorrow not day. You come here, come and be telling me you are like a man. My people, I want to be like a woman before. I do something like a man, so I want to be like a man. They are killing them, cutting their parts. Even their penis is in China. They'll call the shout for social media. Hey, me will be like man, so don't go there. If me want to get any man, now I'll get her. Forget it. If I want to get any man, no go social media, go they cry. Hey, hook up, this man shop my money. If I want to get any man, I get it. It's what if is waiting I want, waiting I desire. I get any man I want. But that is not my business. That is not my cup of tea. But the point I'm telling you guys now is for you to go and destroy the bank because they don't run commot. They don't run. Let me show you people that is ruling you. Let me show you. After talking to our leader, they go and have a fun. Let me show you. And they want to start engaging you. You are here telling you yourself you look like a woman or man. Idiot. See ya. May I see ya? Yeah, show where. When I see people we get back where they those states. See ya. When I see ya. This na Ile Ife ma. Oni of Ife. This na Dele Momodu. And this one na another man. No know this one. When I see ya. Now see ya they big. Now money. I don't get sense here. Now say, when I know what it happen, these people, now the South be their problem. They want to connect the South. You understand? They don't want their pressy, even they are invited useless wicked, the mad dog, talking in China TV. This, what did they call on Shehu Shagari? That useless boy with the China TV, you know, all of them are criminal. They know what they are fighting for. Yoruba people like this, not be all, because we don't get better Yoruba. You know, say, these people now, they are the one carry your hair, people. They are the one that holds those back. More they tell as it be, as it be. If we not talk as it be, we not go fit move forward. Now the truth, these people are the one that holds your life. These people, they don't, their family not there again. That is why they don't want Nigeria to break. If they want to interview our leader now, they must say Igbo nation. They know say na South and Southeast na be Biafra, but they know. But they want to hear what is in that one. Don't tell now 100 times. More than forget wicked na human being. He even use the man talk. He say before he die, he go talk out. Say he not got anything to do with IPOB. We know, but our people are there. That they obey the law, they lock down. They are IPOB, they are Biafrans. You can't change it. You only have one vote. So you see, that is why Wike is a mad dog. Wike go so die. He use the man talk. He say even though he die, he don't talk. So you know this war. Now BB people go die. So that is why they are running away. Even though you run, you come back, you go die. Yes, that is why we want our Oduduwa brother to wake up. They have already wake up. They'll do their own. Middle bed do your own. Biafra do your own. See, time they come, we'll come say, this is Biafra 1, Biafra 2. Biafra number 2, now be South. We'll start to kill all those big men. Yes, we'll do it like that. So that made the ethnicity for less. We know how to do our thing. Now, when I live weekend and you might be. See una oppressor. See them. See there, see una oppressors. See, what is this one right? Bank not be business, you don't know anything, they crazy. More than not mail this commenter, so now then, draw now go back. Not then. They suffer for years, they do beggars. They fight for European money, they know they work. They Germany, their wife now, they die for European money, they will not work. But they want to benefit what they did not labor for. You understand? So don't make all these commenters. They are criminals. They're for Benin City. They're for Benin City, that place where they call Egua. Now therefore they distribute their money. Sent to them in Europe. No, so now to get money. Sent to them in Europe. They will come and be commenting and confusing you. You that is talking. So don't mind all these boys. Don't mind them. All these boys, all these Agbe, teen, all these boys. Don't mind them. They are criminals. Many of them, we know them. They are criminals. They are blocking our Facebook through our name, left and right. They are working for Facebook. Also, they are paying them. I can imagine. Hello, my brother.
Hello?
Wait first, 1 minute. I can imagine, Osazero bring $2 million to Europe till today. Benin people, they not talk. You see, that is why I loved my Asian people. They are watching that they want not to say the girl not time. Make the time come, they'll kick on her out. I heard my brother contribute.
This useless boy, we they talk say back don't be business. No, back don't be business. And I make our people will destroy us. This not be business.
Okay.
We don't want it in our land. We don't need back in our land. If Biafra don't restore, Biafra know how to fix back each community. You understand? So for Yoruba man to live on your state, go back and put for our land. Go come up for our land. They go to use the money to use the money to build house for England. Not be even say they would use the money to do something for our land. Don't go use and go buy house for
England. Or they soft. You not see their picture. My brother, you not see their picture.
I see a picture now. They'll go come now. They only of Ife. They get back. Daily Momodu. They get back there everywhere. Now they get the whole bank with it there. That be the reason why our people will destroy the bank because they not be business. Bank is not a business. If they destroy bank now today Nigeria don't already destroy.
It don't destroy.
Now where the money for the corner.
Exactly.
Now who see money now will buy something. Who see money now will fit buy ticket go enter flight. Say they won't go. They won't run come on. If you don't see money for bank, they burn the money, burn the bank, burn the whole manager with this. Me they would advise our people say, make them burn the whole Yoruba people, burn the whole manager with inside that place. I don't tell my people where they here. That Coca-Cola where they here. They don't have set fire before. They'll still burn now again. The way fire affected enter before they will burn now. Yoruba people they inside. Many people die inside that place. We don't want these people in our land. So my sister, thank you.
What Baba? Thank you, sir. See there, they soft. Don't come they comment, may you not talk. See, only of Ife, Dele Momodu, another person. See, she has a big. They're big. This is hotel. They are enjoying your money. You, they suffer. One person come here, come they talk, come they comment. You they mad them. Don't mad them. Go and do the needful. Not be everything hotel now here. Go and do your own part. Destroy everywhere. If Biafra come, we'll reset her. Then for now, not be your own. You know, favor you. Go reach your 21 generation. You know, be your own. You are a slave, as far as I'm concerned. Like this, Etiosa 18 now. You know, not saying a slave. You know, not saying a slave. You want, they want carry everybody body, joy body, make everybody be slave. No walk. Where we there, bro? We they see everything they happen. Yeah, you are not a slave. Obey the law. You are not a slave. So, my brothers and sisters, I don't want to be woman. I want to be man. I want to be man. If una see and say I dey put hair for may I just still look fair, maybe say hair may I sometimes I want to do like man now, so that make I go, and if I carry bomb as I talk am before, I know where they go. If I die, may anybody not cry. They craze. Una wan come dey cheat. See, the name Momodu see am after I don discuss with our leader finish. He can't go meet his brother Ooni of Ife. They can't discuss the rest finish here. What they are concerned about, we they follow them total name. What they are concerned about is South, because why? Their bank is there, and our leader have said it. We all are Biafrans. You cannot take my brothers and sisters from me. They made a mistake. Our forefather made a mistake by letting these people to come inside them. But now we want to tell them, stay in your own. Let me stay on my own. May everybody work on. If for do the what people go court Ooni of Ife put for Lagoon, now they can't know. It no concern us. Everybody go back to your papa land. Go your papa house. Put your bastard. Go bless una my people. And they come out again. And they come out. Even if I there anywhere, they come out because okay. And maybe I'll come out. Maybe I feel come out. Maybe I don't feel come out because they block the other Facebook. Maybe and they come out again. Because this war we want start so. We need to chat. May our people get up. May they go fight. God will bless all of us. Una bye bye. Wait, may I read this idiot. This thing. You dey funny for the truth. So working with DH. Okay, sorry, say I curse you, Etiosa. Change your mind. Change your mind. We want all of you to change your mind. Fight for your life. You are working with DHL. I don't know what you they work for. But don't come here and confuse our people. Let our people to go and destroy their money. Let them collect their money. Let them collect their share. Let they drop, come on, they want to go outside the country. All these people now, you see, let they do meeting. See, let they do meeting. You understand? Ooni of Ife still get right to call, they tell us, say, you want to engage us. Now we go engage you now if the time come. We are the one that will engage you guys. Yes, so. As Ooni of Ife, so Ooni of Ife may bring it pan. It never work. It pan soft. It not be like my own is strong. How you know say I be man? It know they work. It pan is very soft. You understand? So my brother don't confuse our brother and sister. Let them wake up. Let them do the needful. Ooni of Ife never work. Tell her may bring the pan. It pan like this. Tell her may bring her. It never work. Can't touch my own way be woman. Go touch your own. May you see and say Ooni of Ife hand very soft. It be like baby because it never was since he was born. They use royalty come they take oppressors. What not be good thing? You get family for dear. No, my brother. If good bad thing not happen, we not go get ourselves. I beg your family. Tell them make they go inside village. We don't know where Fulani want start to throw bomb put, but tell them make them go inside village because you go now. I work me now, my brother. You will fight town. If you not fight town, they no rest Fulani they threaten us. That we should bring the war. They don't declare war now. You know, yes, if Buhari say we must fight for. We must fight. Let make me open this live video. They talk. You understand? They have declared war. So your family dead here. You know, there it's not my business. They must fight war. They threaten us. If you want to go, you fight. If you want to go, you fight. And the Igbo people have already started fighting. They have been fighting. Since December now, they have been fighting. Our people are dying. Even where did these boys dey? They carry about may I look the boys. They carry about how many boys they carry yesterday for Oka? Now Oka Nabi. I don't know where I put the picture. I will find out. They carry about innocent boys, young boys. They carried them yesterday for which area? Boeing. Sorry, Boeing. The area is Oka. So they carry many boys yesterday, young boys. They are fighting. The war is going on. My people, don't be selfish. So we need referendum or we fight the war. We run, we no run, we go see fight because Fulani no leave us more go. Now Yoruba people they focus on South. Now the South because where they put all their brother there, where they collect our oil money, they go they give them for Yoruba land. You see, all the kings now for Yoruba, they are Ile-Ife people. So we don't want those things again. We want to be free. We want everybody to stay on your own. You know what we have will circularize. You know, yeah. You get hospital in your community, not be say hospital, not do Uromi. Uromi people must go to Benin City before they can get treatment. No, it's not done. Here, hospital is 5 minutes with car. 5 minutes, you don't reach there. Yes, 5 minutes or 7 minutes. If it's too far, helicopter, they will call. Helicopter will come. 5 minutes, you don't reach there. That is how it is done in anywhere. Not be say, Ude Benin City, Ude Uromi go Benin City. Ude Uchigo. No, enough. Go that way. No, take. Ude Benin City, you go Ude Uchigo go Benin City. Ude Uromi go. Now Uromi people go put hospital that day for Uromi. Made that they treat their people. They carry 2 cars go. We go to transport them. You understand? So enough is enough. This shitting is too much. So you now wake up for Benin City. If you don't want to be free, I bet more than leave some people. Make those ones free first. Maybe they'll confuse the few ones where they Benin City or few ones where they Auchi. But also 100%. It's oye. Uromi ma say na ina Biafra 100%. God will bless you. Your Excellency. God will bless you. I lie down for you, sir. The Royal Highness, I lie down. So if people like that is talking out the year, not these people who go and sell us for Fulani, just in the money in the afternoon, Fulani will come back all of us. Me, I know they respect all those kind of people. Thank you, my people. Later we will see. More go.